Welcome back, pure structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is February 4th, 2021 here in Hawaii, and is going to be February 5th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 and also gold, giving you guys some levels that we're looking to play off of, and potentially maybe even move into the US session with the same levels. So we're going to start with S&P 500 here. You can see we had a nice bullish move today, especially from those 39 to 40 areas all the way up. We are touching right around 7150 as of right now, and we are going to look for the market to either stall right here and maybe get a little bit of a pullback, looking right around this area of 67.50 to continue the move. If not, I'm looking for the market to try to dip a little bit lower into these 57.25s and then try to continue to move from there. You can see we have some underlying levels of support right around 46.50, under that 39.50, and then under that 33.50 is a level of support that we're looking at as well. But for right now, still strongly bullish. Want to continue to trend trade this to the upside. If we don't get that pullback and we just continue to move from here on up, then we're probably going to reassess, give some other levels, and then try to trade it from there for a continuational move. But let's go ahead and take a look at a smaller chart here on S&P 500. So again, you can see what's going on here. We did have a nice bounce right there at 67.50 right off that level. Hopefully we can get that move to come right back in and then create that structured price action we want to see for a continuation. But again, if we don't get that opportunity, we are going to look for the market to travel right back down into these 57.25s and try to go from there back to the upside. Underneath this, we could see the market potentially react as resistance and then try to pull it down to our next level of 46.50. If you don't want to take that trade, there is always an opportunity to look for a bounce right there off that level and then continue it from there. So we are going to look for that for S&P 500. Let's take a look at gold here real quickly, give you guys some ideas of what we're looking at on gold. Now we are coming up against a strong level of resistance that we got. 97.6 is an area of interest that we want to see the market hold and then try to pull it back down. But for me, I do like the bullish move versus that bearish move that we're going to try to see right off this resistance. So hopefully, if we do get resistance, I may end up waiting for the market to try to come back down here and go right back up through this level of 97.6. Now, if we just get right through this area, I am looking for the market to climb right into these 1801.4 areas as resistance and then try to react off of that level. Above that, you can see next level 1806.8, and above that 1808.6 is our next levels of resistance. Now, if we get deeper on the pullback, we could come into 1790.9 as a support, maybe even double bottom and then pop right back up. If we do hold right around 90.9 or even 92.7, I'm still going to be looking for that long opportunity. Underneath this level, we may get a potential move right back into 86.9 as a support, and under that I have 85 as another level of support. Underneath 85, I could potentially see the market trying to drop off even further from there. But we'll see. We've got some levels lined up to see what the price action gives us and the structure gives us, and then we'll look to try to place a trade from there. Let's take a look at a 5-tick chart here real quickly on gold. You can see markets coming right into our level of interest, 97.6 as a level of resistance first. And again, if we do get a nice double top, this may be a potential trade right back down into support. But we'll see how the market reacts off this level first, and then we'll look to trade it. But again, resistance above that, 1801.4, 1806.8, and 1808.6 as another level of resistance above that. Support underneath 90.9, 86.9, and 1785 as another level of support. So that is it for S&P 500 and also gold. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys are, thank you very much for watching, liking, and also putting your comments in here on YouTube. Really appreciate that. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'll go ahead and respond to you guys. Other than that, guys, you guys take care. You guys have a good night.